When you picture a siren, you're probably imagining something like this. A seductive mermaid with long, beautiful hair and a wicked sparkle in her eye. She uses her hypnotizing voice to lure sailors over the edge of their ship, and once she has them in her clutches, she drowns them. But the original sirens were not mermaids. They were birds. Over on Fireside Fables, I'm sharing a 2-part series about the origins of mermaids and the incredible variety of half-human, half-fish creatures that can be found around the world. Often people are surprised to learn that in the world of ancient Greece, sirens were creatures with the heads of humans and the bodies of birds, and it was purely their voices, not their physical appearance, that led sailors to their doom. In part 1, we explore how the personality of the Greek siren blends with the imagery of the mermaid to create the vicious creatures that you can see in Pirates of the Caribbean, or for that matter, Peter Pan.